Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am MyCodeWorks watching tech and coding channel MyCodeWorks. So guys, in this video we are going to install Eclipse in Windows 10. So let's get directly into the point. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon so that you get more update early as possible. Okay, so I will directly write here. Okay, so Eclipse download. Okay, so let's directly go to Eclipse Foundation, and we are going to click on Eclipse IDE packages, and see we have option it here, like click on Eclipse 8664. So it means that bitwise. Okay, or directly we'll click on the download button here, and Eclipse is going to be downloaded, and it will take little time. It's 131 MB. Okay, so till that it's installing or downloading, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell icon for more updates, and please support guys. If you have any doubt, please reach out me through my Instagram handle as well as LinkedIn handle. You can provide put a comment whatever you have queries. So finally Eclipse has been downloaded here, so let's click on this one, and then okay, we'll open it in installation mode. So now Eclipse installer has been ready here, so we are going to install for the looks like. Okay, so we are going to click on Eclipse for Enterprise Java Web Developer, where we can install like we can run for Java IDE, tool for JavaScript, TypeScript, and lot of things are there. Okay, so we can go with the things Eclipse IDE for Java developer, enterprise, and web developer. So I think this is the one we can go for it. So let's click on this one, Eclipse IDE enterprise, and we are going to put the Java JDK plus, right? So see, it's picking up the Java path here and installation folder. So let's click and install. Okay, and accept now. So finally installation has been completed here successfully. Now click on launch, and we'll open this Eclipse IDE 2406. So it's a recent one. As you can see here, Eclipse is now installed in our system, Eclipse IDE Enterprises. So it's opening, it's launching our Eclipse in Windows 10. And thanks for watching this video guys. This is all, this is what I just wanted to show you. And if you face any issue on installing this Eclipse in Windows 10, please let me in comment section. I will provide how to install Java and set the path in Windows 10. You can check out the video comment section. There I will provide the link, and also you can attach, I will attach the that I button here, you can check out. So yeah, it's opening, and thanks, happy installation. So you can see that it's a Eclipse workspace now launch. And I just wanted to say that please subscribe my YouTube channel MyCodeWorks and click on bell icon for more updates, and please support me guys. I'm creating videos for you only.